Hello creating family, Alice here. Are you ready to transform your free time into steady stream of income? If you answer yes, then stick with me because in this video I'm about to show you how you can be anywhere from $100 to $500 just by sharing your honest opinion. Yes, you heard me right. By simply taking surveys, you can earn such amount of money right from the comfort of your home and with your mobile device or any device at all, in as much there is internet connection. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just looking to boost their income, then this video is for you. Let's dive into the top platforms that you can start earning today. The first platform on my list is user interviews, where participants earn anywhere from $100 per hour. How cool is this? This platform connects companies to participants who are willing to share their honest opinion on products and services. What is unique about user interview is the variety of opportunities available. You can filter through surveys to find the one that suits you best. Keep in mind that popular surveys get filled up easily, so staying active is key. Next on my list is Watchlab. Watchlab.com connects users with opportunity to participate in paid market research studies. On average, you can earn around $150 for joining their study. This is amazing, which ranges from online surveys, remote interviews, and even focus groups. One thing I love about Watchlab is the flexibility. You can take part in usability testing of websites, mobile app, or devices, or even participate in mock trials to provide valuable feedbacks. Payments are made via checks or Amazon gift cards. To get started, sign up on their website and join their Facebook community in order for you to be updated for new opportunities. Next on my list is Focus Scope, a platform similar to Watchlab. Here you can earn anywhere from $100 to $250 or even more for your input on various surveys or focus groups. They also have Facebook community where you can stay updated for latest opportunities. One thing I appreciate about Focus Scope is their transparency. The website displays details like payment amount of time for you to complete that particular survey, and the requirement it takes for you to complete the survey. So you can choose the tasks that fit you best. Next on my list is AttaPoll. If you are looking for an app-based solution, then AttaPoll is a fantastic option. By completing surveys, you can earn points that can be converted into gift card or that can be converted into cash, and you'll be paid through PayPal. So if you want me to do a dedicated video on how to create a active PayPal account in Nigeria, let me know that in the comment and I'll be creating that video right away. To maximize your earnings, take time to complete your profile accurately and thoroughly. Next on my list is Survey Club, one of the highest paying survey platform. Their pay ranges from $115 per survey. Yes, you heard me right. So let me give you a pro tip. If you want this survey platform to quickly accept you and give you survey tasks or survey works to do, what you need to do is for you to complete your profile well. Complete your profile accurately and thoroughly. In the sense that they are going to be giving you surveys that are tailored to your preference. This is a pro tip that you cannot get anywhere. If you have not liked this video, then I don't know why. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. I promise to give you 5, which I have done, but because I have watched this video to this extent, I'm going to give you extra 2, and these 2 survey platforms are going to blow your mind. I kid you not. First bonus platform is Respondent. My personal favorite is Respondent. Offering payment ranges from $700 per certain task. Yes, you heard me right. This platform caters for professionals like software developers, marketers, and business executives. But there are also opportunities for students and freelancers. Creating a detailed profile is crucial for you to have access to well-paying tasks. Respondent is an affiliate platform that even help you earn more money when you refer others. So you can refer your family, your friends, your loved ones, and your well-wishers. Once you share your affiliate link with them and they register through your link, you are going to be paid some certain amount for bringing those people to Respondent platform. The second bonus platform is Panda Research. Panda Research has a unique twist, right? You don't just earn on Panda Research just by taking surveys. You can earn on Panda Research by referring others and by also reading emails. When you read emails in this platform, you are going to be paid a certain amount, right? The amount they pay for emails is not much. It's about $0.50. That's almost $1. But when you accumulate it, the amount you earn for reading email on this platform can be reasonable. But for their surveys, payment ranges from $75 and above. So their survey is actually very good. You can decide just to be doing survey in this particular platform. You can decide to do email or you can decide to refer somebody. But I would prefer you do survey because these survey are actually not that difficult and not something that you cannot do. When you do those surveys, sometimes they take an hour or less. You'll be earning $75 or even more. And then you have it lucrating family. 7 amazing platforms that you can actually start earning from today just by sharing your opinion in products and services. In my opinion, this is absolutely cool and is one of the best way for you to earn money online. Whether you are looking up to pay up your bills or to save up for something special, these options offer flexibility and great payouts. Which one of these platforms sounds like your next hustle? Let me know down in the comments. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are here not to subscribe, and also turn on your bell notification. There are so many people out there looking for legit side hustle. You sharing this video might just be you saving someone's life. And before you go, the next video that is showing up on your screen is actually the video that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. It's a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online or offline the laziest way ever. Click on it and I'll see you there.